Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, let me talk about a great idea how you can make more than $10 passively online. The tutorial is based on that how I made my first dollar. 50 online selling digital templates made entirely with AI. Here is exactly how. Step 1. Idea. Go to ChatGPT and ask, give me 10 digital product ideas to sell online. Pick something simple like business planner or Instagram post templates. Step 2. Design. Use Canva's AI feature to create your designs fast. You can even ask ChatGPT for layout descriptions and headlines. Step 3. Store setup. Head over to Etsy or Gumroad. Upload your designs, write a short description, and set your price between $5 to $10. Step 4. Marketing. Use Pinterest or TikTok to post short videos showing how your templates work. Link your store in the bio. Step 5. Results. My first sale came in 3 days, $7.99 from a Canva template. After a week, total $50. Not bad for one night of work. And the best part? Once it's uploaded, it keeps selling passively. Hey, if you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss out for more AI income tutorials. Thanks for watching.